Namaste, I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making vegan chicken nuggets recipe using tofu. Trust me guys, these are too good to be true and I'm going to show you how easy it is to prepare this incredible recipe with some simple steps. If you are new to my channel, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you'd like to see more vegan videos, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Let's get started. Step number 1. Slice the tofu block in small pieces. I have taken this firm block of tofu and pressed it for an hour. You can slice it in any way, but I'm going to cut it in small cubes almost similar to a nugget. You can even round the edges if you like. I'm going with this size and shape, but feel free to improvise. Step number 2. Prepare the marinade for the tofu. To a big bowl, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/3 teaspoon of red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste. Remember that soy sauce also has salt, so add the salt accordingly. Mix everything well. Always remember that you may increase or decrease the spices as per your choice, and if you don't want them to be spicy, just omit the red chili powder. Add the tofu cubes to the marinade. This is one of the key steps as marinating tofu will induce that extra flavor in it, so do not skip this. Coat the tofu cubes with the paste entirely. Try to be gentle and do not break the tofu in the process. Once the tofu is entirely coated, let it marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes. Step number 3. Let's prep the breadcrumbs and the all-purpose flour. Take 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You can also use a gluten-free option here. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to it. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything. I have also taken around 100 grams of breadcrumbs. It's really important to flavor the breadcrumbs too. So add half teaspoon of salt, 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of curry powder, 1/3 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix everything well. Like I said, this coating is the first thing you will get to taste while eating the nugget, so flavoring is very important. Step number 4. Time to wrap the tofu in our flour and breadcrumb mix. Place the tofu cube in the all-purpose flour, roll it nicely, tap out the excess flour, then place it in the plant-based milk. I'm using soy milk. Cover it entirely and then place it in the breadcrumbs. Roll it in the breadcrumbs in such a way that they stick to all the sides of the tofu cube. Once done, repeat the same for the rest of the tofu cubes. Look at those! Don't they already look so scrumptious? Take a baking tray and line it with parchment paper. Then add around 1 teaspoon of oil and brush it evenly. Place the tofu cubes in the parchment paper with some distance apart. Step number 5. Bake the tofu over 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes and flipping it midway. Then take the baking tray out and serve the vegan chicken nuggets hot. I may never go back to eating plain tofu again. These tofu nuggets are amazing, so crispy and flavorful. These are the best little tofu nuggets. You can enjoy them as a snack, but you can also use them everywhere, like on salad, on pasta, in taco, pretty much in everything. So if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipment and ingredients I use in the description section. You can find the written recipe of this video on my website foodotomic.com. Also check out this delicious stuffed potato cake recipe, and if you are still looking for more vegan videos, you would definitely love this vegan playlist right here. That's all for today, guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.